on to it.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Hi.
Hi. So, basically how this challenge works is we have supplies given to us in front of us, and we have to make a craft following the theme using all the stuff we have, and we have to use one of everything.
Our theme is
making a toy for a 3-year-old. So let's get started.
okay.
Maybe.
You're going to comment below from our shirt colors which team won. So I'm Team Gray, and mine is like this thing that like goes like that. It has like a cup, and they can put their like dolls on the top of it. Like there's like a little seat there.
Whoa.
You can see that. And then there's like also happy faces on it. It's really happy. And there's sad faces too. And then it's like covered in tape and bow. But, yeah. And then there's a flower on the top. So now for Team Black.
Team Gray and Black. I'm Team Gray and Black, and this is like I don't really know exactly what this is, but it just says sunflower, and there's like a little sunflower, and they can like put whatever they want on it, and they can put like stuff inside. And I was gonna put this like little bee thing that says Z on it, but they might be able to eat that, so probably not a good idea. And there's just like this handle here, a soft handle with like designs on it, and then like I covered the popsicle stick in this, and on the back there's just like that, and yeah.
Okay, so now me, Team Pink. Duh. I made this. I kind of think, so it's like a boat, and then you pull this and it moves like that. And it's like soft, so there's this sunflower here. And then there's a flag because it's a boat, so I just wrote lol. I didn't know what else to write, and I wrote lol here because, yeah.
Bye everyone! Thanks for watching. Bye! Three, two,
Wait,
one.
my eye.
This is going in the bloopers.
Wait.